In 1986, René Piaget conducted a most astonishing experiment to show telekinesis influencing objects at a distance by the power of the mind. He used newly hatched chicks and a specially made robot. So chickens and birds believe the first animate creature or thing that they see after hatching is their parent, and they become closely bonded. This is called imprinting. And Piaget introduced the newly hatched chicks to this special robot. They loved it and yearned to be close to it. The robot could drive itself around on wheels and had a pen underneath it to trace its path on the paper as it moved. It had a random number generator on the steering, and every few seconds it changed directions. A large table with a low sidewall to prevent the robot from falling off was covered by a sheet of white paper. The robot was placed in the center of the table and set moving. It traced a random pattern across the table. He then put 15 chickens, which were bonded to the robot, in a small cage at one end of the table, put the robot in the center of the table, and switched it on. The chicks felt anxiety when it moved away from them, yearning for it to be close. These chicks had a profound effect on the robot's movement. It moved towards the chickens and stayed at the end of the table closest to them. He put a non-bonded chicken into the cage, and the robot traced a random pattern again. Piaget made the room dark and then put a small candle on the robot. Even the non-attached chickens could bring it closer for the comfort of the light. However, when Piaget put rabbits in the cage, they were scared of the device and made it stay at the far end of the table. But when they got used to it, they began to draw it near.